Polytrichum, commonly known as haircap moss, is a genus of mosses in the family Polytrichaceae. These mosses are characterized by their hair-like structures on the upper part of the plant, which give them their common name. Polytrichum mosses have a complex life cycle involving both sexual and asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Polytrichum mosses reproduce asexually through the production of specialized structures called gemmae. Gemmae are small, multicellular structures that are formed in gemma cups or gemmae cups. These cups are located on the upper part of the plant, and they contain the gemmae. Gemmae are essentially tiny plantlets that can detach from the parent plant and grow into new individuals. When conditions are favorable, the gemmae are dispersed by rain or other means, and they can develop into new gametophyte plants. Sexual reproduction. Polytrichum mosses also reproduce sexually through the alternation of generations. The life cycle of polytrichum mosses includes two distinct stages: the gametophyte stage and the sporophyte stage. Gametophyte stage. The gametophyte stage is the dominant stage in the life cycle of polytrichum mosses. It is the familiar leafy moss plant that we typically observe. The gametophyte plant produces gametangia, which are structures that produce gametes, reproductive cells. The male gametangia are called antheridia, and they produce sperm cells. The female gametangia are called archegonia, and they produce egg cells. The sperm cells are released into the environment and need water for swimming to reach the archegonia. Fertilization occurs when a sperm cell successfully reaches an egg cell and fuses with it, forming a zygote. Sporophyte stage. After fertilization, the zygote develops into the sporophyte stage. The sporophyte is the non-leafy part of the moss that grows from the gametophyte. It consists of a stalk-like structure called a seta and a capsule at the top. The capsule contains spores, which are produced by meiosis. When the spores are mature, the capsule opens, and the spores are released into the environment. These spores can disperse over long distances and can germinate under favorable conditions to develop into new gametophyte plants, thus completing the life cycle. Overall, polytrichum mosses exhibit a combination of asexual reproduction through gemmae and sexual reproduction through the alternation of generations involving gametophyte and sporophyte stages.